Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to export transparent videos in Canva. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to export transparent videos in Canva, you cannot directly export a true transparent mp4 video from Canva, but you can use Canva's background remover, which is a pro feature to make your video elements appear transparent over other backgrounds or exports. So you can simply go for a static transparency. For true video transparency like a green screen, you will need to remove the background video in Canva. That is a green screen method. Now you need to key it out in a dedicated video editor like this script as well. So you can simply go and tap on your designs, or you can create one. Once you have created a video, you can simply remove the video background by selecting the particular area where you want to remove that video's background. So you can simply tap on it and simply remove it accordingly if you have a pro feature. So once you have a pro feature, you can simply do it, and now you can simply export it as a mp4. But remember that the transparency only works within Canva. When you download it, it fills with a solid color, usually white or yellow, unless keyed out later. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.